Hello and welcome to Darth Dragon Does Math. I'm your host, Darth Dragon. Do you like my new logo? I know, it's brilliant. Thank you for the applause. All right, cool. And thank you, Dylan. All right, so Alan, Bernard, and Cade are different ages. And we're going to be writing an expression to represent those ages, and we might even find their ages here in a bit. Alan is 1 year less than 2 times Bernard's age. Cade is 5 years older than half of Bernard's age. Write an expression to represent Alan's age in terms of Bernard's age. And we're going to say that P, Bernard's age P, write an expression that represents Cade's age in terms of Bernard's age, P. And why I did not choose B instead of P, the world may never know. So, Alan, Bernard, and Cade are different ages. Alan is 1 year less than 2 times Bernard's age, so we're going to do A first. And the first thing I need to do is I need to isolate the sentence involving Alan. And the second thing I need to do is I need to isolate Bernard's age, because Bernard's age is our variable. So Bernard's age is our variable, and that's P. So our variable is P. Alan is 1 year less than 2 times Bernard's age. So from Bernard's age, we almost kind of work outward. So if Bernard is 10, Alan would be 2 times that, and then Alan is 1 year less than that. So the 2 times actually comes before Alan is 1 year less than, even though Alan is 1 year less than is earlier in the sentence, we work from Bernard's age. So the first thing that happens is 2 times, which means multiply by 2, and Alan is 1 year less than that. So that actually comes afterwards, and I want to talk about that real quick, because that can be kind of confusing. Alan is 1 year less than 2 times Bernard's age. So this is 2 times Bernard's age, and that is 1 year less. So it has to come behind, because let's imagine that Bernard is 2. So Bernard is 2. And let's forget about that. We'll just do 1 minus P and P minus 1. If Alan is 1 year less than Bernard, imagine we wrote it like this. Well, Bernard's 2, so 1 minus 2 is -1. And I don't know anybody who is -1 years old, and I hope you don't either. But that doesn't make sense. But if Bernard is 2 and Alan is 1 year less than that, we say 2 minus 1, oh, that's 1. So we have to make sure that when we're writing our expressions, and we have something that is less than, it has to come after it, or the mathematics will get all wonky and not make any sense. So that's A. That's Alan's age right there. Part B, finding Cade's age. Well, Cade is 5 years older than half of Bernard's age. So isolate Bernard's age. Half of. Half, 1/2. Of means to multiply. So half times P. And remember, I'm not writing the X anymore. I'm just writing half P. And we're supposed to understand that there's an understood multiplication symbol between them. This is important because as we go further and further along, we're not going to write that symbol, 1. And 2, you need to understand the language that your textbooks are written in. They're not going to write this symbol either. So 1/2 P, Cade is 5 years older than half P. So 5 years older, so plus 5. And that's the answer to part B. Now, to go further, let's add a part C. I want to say, how old is Alan, Bernard, and Cade if Bernard, let's say Bernard is, boy, sorry, I'm yawning. I yawn when I talk a lot, and it's frustrating, and that's probably not the last time you're going to hear me do that. So Bernard is 12. Let's say Bernard is 12 years old. Alan is 2 times 12 minus 1. So Alan is 2 times 12 is 24. Minus 1. Alan's 23 years old. Alright, to find Cade. Well, Cade is 1/2 P. P is 12. We're substituting in 12 for P. 1/2 times 12 plus 5. I'm yawning again. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 5. That's equal to 11 years old. Sorry about all the yawning. But that's that. And you guys should be equipped to do today's homework. Yay! Alright. Have a good day.